What you got, Darcy? How's that taste? She seems to like that noise that it makes when she chews on the feet. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Are you making noise with that? Are you making noise with that? She likes the giraffe. It's got tasty feet. Hey, we'll chew on the fingers for a little while. What you doing? Darcy. She can follow you.